Anybody want to tell me why my son is trying to do I am your daughter scene? Seriously, what the fuck? Spooky season's over, Dimitri. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Adriana, also known as Snuggles. Now for today's video, if you haven't read the title, this is a vlog type video. I am gonna be deep cleaning and rearranging my room because it is needed oh so much, and also putting away all the Halloween stuff that I need to take down and my board take down. But also it's just more of a, I just seem to never get a break, and I need to reorganize this room where it's half my room, half office, with me coming back. It is a 9 by 10 and 9 by 11 and a half. I don't remember. I have to measure everything out. I need to try to figure out exactly how I'm gonna put this, because I have a giant ass bed. A giant bed that I just got 2 months ago, I think. And I also need to reorganize my closet. I love how I have my room now. I feel like I can make it better. As you can hear my son say. This is how the room is situated at the moment. I need to clean that up. It's a big old mess. It was a lot messier, but obviously I cleaned the bed off. No, you can't jump on there. Owie, owie. That's where I'm at. Stuck between here. The giant ass bed in a small ass room. This is my house so fun. His little play corner. Yeah, this is a mess. Day 2 of cleaning. This is how I put it in those, excuse me, in this container since it's full. Diapers, wipes, oh, my finger's in the way. And then I have the extras still in the box right there, because I do have another box, but I am put it away because, as you can see, full. Next I have the extra, and I have like 3 wipes right there, and that's full. But it's staying stocked up because you never know, especially with the whole pandemic. In the beginning of the pandemic, I couldn't even get a hold of diapers. I've always liked to stay stocked up at least 1 box ahead. Even though it's potty training time with my son, you just never know. Anyways, time to go to this mess of a corner. My little makeup office corner. Time to get this done. But yeah, it's a little messy. Have a toddler, forgive me. And I have my quinceañera picture. And I have my, I forgot what it's called. But yeah, I got this done in Florida almost 2 years ago now. I can't believe it's already gonna be 2 years since I went to Florida. It was a time of my life. And my son also got this. He couldn't leave without this. It was between Chase or Buzz Lightyear. And he chose Chase because he's more of a Paw Patrol. And that is for the room transformation, room organizing, room makeover video. All I did was just kind of flop the room and cleaned it up really good because it was a mess. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.